How olive oil is made in factory and complete manufacturing process. One of the oldest and most valuable commodities in human history, olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, has been coveted for more than 6,000 years due to its flavor, therapeutic qualities, and even as a religious symbol. Olive oil has come a long way, from the Mediterranean to the contemporary kitchen. But have you ever wondered how these little olives are turned into the golden oil we use in cooking or spread over salads? Today, we'll take you inside a state-of-the-art olive oil facility to examine every stage of the production process. Along the way, we'll share some amazing secrets you probably weren't aware of. Number 9. Cold pressing versus modern extraction. Traditional versus high-tech. While high-speed centrifuges are used in modern facilities to efficiently extract oil, some companies continue to employ the antiquated cold pressing technique, which has been around for thousands of years. By using stone wheels to grind olives and hydraulic presses to press the paste, cold pressing creates rich, flavorful, and aromatic oil. Cold-pressed olive oil is valued for its strong flavor and high nutrient content, particularly antioxidants, while being slower and producing less. By contrasting the two approaches, viewers can see how tradition and technology coexist, each contributing special characteristics to the beloved golden liquid. Number 8. Olive oil grades and health benefits. More than just extra virgin. Olive oils differ from one another. Olive oil is produced by factories in a variety of grades, including extra virgin, virgin, and refined. Made from first cold-pressed olives, extra virgin is the finest and has a natural flavor, antioxidants, and vitamins. Despite having a little greater acidity, virgin olive oil is nonetheless nutritious and tastes nice. Refined oils, which are frequently used for high-heat cooking, are processed to eliminate flaws. Beyond its flavor, research indicates that olive oil is a superfood that can strengthen the heart, lower inflammation, and even enhance brain function. Customers can choose the best olive oil for flavor and health by being aware of these grades, which makes every meal a little healthier and tastier. Number 7. Harvesting, the art and science of timing. Timing is crucial in the olive groves where the adventure starts. When olives are fully ripe, they are harvested. This delicate balance directly influences the finished oil's flavor and perfume. If you select them too soon, the oil will be bitter and peppery. If you harvest them too late, the oil will lose its subtle scent and antioxidant content. Olives were traditionally harvested by hand, a labor-intensive process that maintains the purity of the fruit. These days, a lot of growers utilize mechanical shakers that vibrate the branches, forcing the olives to fall softly onto nets that are stretched out below. A single olive tree can provide up to 40 kg of olives, while 1 liter of premium olive oil requires roughly 5-6 kg of olives. This is an interesting fact, since any delay could result in fermentation and spoiling, which would destroy the flavor before extraction even starts. The olives are then swiftly delivered to the facility. To put it briefly, the date of the harvest can determine the quality of an olive oil. Number 6. Washing purity before processing. Once harvested, olives undergo a thorough washing process, removing dust, leaves, twigs, and even small insects. You might think washing is trivial, but it is crucial. Impurities can alter the taste, cause off flavors, or reduce the shelf life of the oil. Some factories use recycling water systems to save thousands of liters while maintaining hygiene standards. Interestingly, even the smallest leaf left on an olive can change the flavor of the oil during extraction, giving it an unwanted bitterness. Cleaning olives ensures the oil is pure, aromatic, and free from contamination, the first step in turning raw fruit into premium liquid gold. Number 5. crushing and grinding, releasing the liquid gold. Next comes crushing, where olives' pits and all are ground into a thick, fragrant paste. Traditionally, large stone wheels were used, slowly crushing the fruit over several hours, which actually enhanced flavor. Modern factories use hammer mills or mechanical crushers, speeding up production while carefully preserving antioxidants and vitamins. Crushing releases the tiny oil droplets trapped inside the olive cells, which is the very first step in creating olive oil. Did you know that the pits themselves are essential? They contain natural enzymes that influence the oil's flavor, giving it subtle notes of bitterness, fruitiness, or spiciness depending on the olive variety. At this stage, the olive paste is ready for the next critical step, malaxation, where science meets art. Number 4, malaxation, unlocking flavor and nutrients. Malaxation is where the magic truly happens. The olive paste is gently stirred for 20 to 40 minutes at precise temperatures, usually below 27 C, allowing tiny oil droplets to merge into larger ones, which makes extraction much more efficient. Temperature control is crucial too high, and the delicate aromas and antioxidants, including polyphenols and vitamin E, are destroyed too low, and the yield decreases. Malaxation not only affects quantity, but also the flavor profile, giving extra virgin olive oil its fruity, peppery, or slightly bitter taste. Fascinatingly, some expert producers add tiny amounts of water during malaxation, a technique called dilution malaxation, to improve yield while carefully preserving the oil's natural aroma and color. Essentially, malaxation is where chemistry and craftsmanship combine to unlock the full potential of the olives. Number 3, extraction. Separating oil from water and solid. After malaxation, the paste is ready for extraction the moment the liquid gold is separated from the solid residues. Modern factories use centrifugal force, spinning the paste at high speeds to naturally separate oil, water, and pulp without using chemicals. This preserves the delicate flavor, antioxidants, and nutrients in the oil. Extraction efficiency has improved dramatically over the years today. We can extract over 98% of available oil from the paste. Did you know that olive oil contains over 30 different types of antioxidants? These compounds are preserved during cold extraction, making extra virgin olive oil not just flavorful but also a superfood for heart and brain health. Number 2, filtration. Clarity without compromising flavor. After extraction, some oils undergo filtration to remove tiny solids and water droplets. This improves clarity, stability, and shelf life, producing the crystal clear oil we often see in stores. Interestingly, some artisanal producers skip this step, offering unfiltered oil, which looks cloudy but often has a more robust, complex flavor due to remaining microscopic olive particles. Both filtered and unfiltered oils are natural, healthy, and packed with antioxidants. Essentially, filtration is the final polish, ensuring the oil looks as beautiful as it tastes. Number 1, storage and bottling, preserving the golden elixir. The final step is storage and bottling. Olive oil is highly sensitive to light, heat, and oxygen, which can quickly degrade its flavor and health benefits. Factories use stainless steel tanks with nitrogen atmospheres to minimize oxidation and maintain quality. Bottles are filled, sealed, and labeled, ready to reach your kitchen. From grove to bottle, every step is carefully monitored to preserve the oil's aroma, flavor, and nutrients. In fact, the difference between a high-quality extra virgin olive oil and a cheap supermarket oil often comes down to meticulous care during storage and bottling. Every drop of olive oil you pour on your salad represents thousands of years of tradition, modern science, and artisanal craftsmanship. And that's how olive oil is made in a factory, a fascinating journey from olives on trees to the golden liquid that enhances our meals. Beyond the factory floor, olive oil continues its journey into cultures, cuisines, and traditions across the world. From rustic Mediterranean villages to modern urban kitchens, this golden liquid has become a universal symbol of health, flavor, and longevity. Chefs prize it not only for cooking, but as a finishing touch that elevates simple ingredients into gourmet experiences. A single drizzle can transform bread, vegetables, or seafood, adding depth that no artificial fat can replicate. What truly sets olive oil apart is the balance it strikes between science and nature. While factories rely on precision machinery, temperature control, and quality testing, the foundation of great olive oil still lies in soil quality, climate, olive variety, and human expertise. This harmony between advanced technology and ancient agricultural wisdom ensures that each bottle carries both efficiency and authenticity. Consumers today are becoming more educated, reading labels carefully, understanding harvest dates, acidity levels, and origin certifications. This awareness is pushing producers to maintain transparency and higher standards, ensuring that what reaches the shelf is not just oil, but a product of integrity. Sustainability is also playing a growing role, with many factories recycling olive pits for biofuel and reusing wastewater responsibly to reduce environmental impact. In the end, olive oil is far more than a cooking ingredient. It is history poured into a bottle, a fusion of tradition, craftsmanship, and modern engineering. Every time you taste high-quality olive oil, you're not just enjoying flavor, you're experiencing a process refined over thousands of years. And that is what truly makes olive oil worthy of its title. Liquid gold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to explore more fascinating manufacturing stories and food secrets with us.